Boeing looks at laser rangefinder for KC-46A refueling boom. Boeing is researching adding a laser rangefinder to the KC-46A Pegasus problem-plagued refueling boom camera system. The laser rangefinder retrofit onto the boom cameras, known as the Remote Vision System (RVS), would give operators additional information about the true distance between the end of the KC-46A's boom and a receiving aircraft's receptacle during in-flight refueling, says Will Roper, Assistant Secretary of the U.S. Air Force, USAF, for Acquisition, Technology and Logistics at the Reagan National Defense Forum on the 7th of December. "I am very pleased that Boeing has leapt forward on that kind of research," says Roper. "They are looking at where they can install the laser rangefinder, how they can run the wiring and cabling through it." KC-46A Pegasus refueling F-15US Air ForceThe. The addition of the laser rangefinder is some ways off, however. "We've got another turn before that design is tightened up to where we can proceed with it," says Roper. "It is that kind of thinking that is going to get the RVS problem solved, thinking outside the original design, which did not include that laser rangefinder." The KC-46A in-flight refueling tanker's original RVS cameras had two problems: a distorted three-dimensional video feed which makes it difficult for operators to perceive distances, and a problem automatically adjusting to changing lighting conditions, which causes the screen to wash out in certain scenarios. There is a rubber sheet effect where some parts get stretched, some parts get compressed, so that the reality that the operator sees on the screen is not the same as the one outside the plane, says Roper. Boeing is trying to straighten out the warping problem using algorithms that remap the video feed's pixels to the correct locations, he says. The company is also working with scientists at the Air Force Research Laboratory's 711th Human Performance Wing to model potential fixes to the RVS, says Roper. "The remote visual system, I am going to worry about it each day until we have a validated design," he says. "One thing I am very happy about, we've got some of the best visual experts at the Air Force Research Lab and they are creating a model, a simulator of the RVS, that we can work through design iterations with Boeing, ahead of them putting engineering investment time on them." For more on this story, visit the news article link.